Number 2, factorize h square minus 39h minus 82. Solution. Now we have h square minus 39h minus 82. The first thing to do is to write out the sum of factors, which is the middle term. That's minus 39h. And we need to write out the product. We need to get the product of factors. The product of factor is the product of the first and the last term. The first term is h squared, while the last term is minus 82. And this one gives us minus 82h squared. Now the next thing for us to do is to determine the factors. How do we get the factors? For us to get the factors, we need to focus on the product. Let's focus on the product. Then we break down the product into some set of pairs of values. That's what we are going to do. The first one, minus 82. We can have this to be minus 1. And don't forget, because we are dealing with case 4, one of the factor is going to be negative, while the other one will be positive. It's the same thing as case 3. One factor negative and the other factor will be positive. Please take note of that. So here we can have minus 1h times plus 82h. We can also have 1h times minus 82h. Also, we can have, using 2, we can have minus 2h times what? Times plus 41h. Because 41 times 2 will give us 82. Now, in that case, we can also have 2h, that is positive, times minus 41h. So these are the set of possible values we can have for minus 82h squared. Now, for us to determine which of the set of value that is valid for this quadratic expression, it means that the set of value must satisfy the sum condition. Now let's do that. Minus 1h plus 82h. Minus 1h plus 82h means 82 minus 1. And that will give us 81. That's 81h. And this does not satisfy the sum condition, which is minus 39h. So this one is out of it. 1h plus minus 82h, that is 1 minus 82. Bigger number from smaller number, that will give us minus 81. Minus 81h is out of it. Does not satisfy the sum condition. Now let's check. Minus 2 plus 41. Minus 2 plus 41 is the same thing as 41 minus 2. And that will give us 39h. That is 41h minus 2h will give us 39h. And the sum of factor condition is minus 39h. So this is out of it. Now, let's check the last one. 2h plus minus 41h. That's 2h minus 41h. And that will give us minus 39h. Because we are taking away bigger number, which is 41, from 2. So we are going to have negative. So this satisfies the sum condition. So it means that the two sets of values we are going to use are 2h and minus 41h. Let's go back to the main question. Now we have a square. We are going to use to represent the middle term. What do we have? The first one. The first one is positive 2h. This is like positive 1h. Take note. So we are going to have plus 2h. Then what do we have? Minus 41h. Then the last term, which is a constant term, minus 82. Now, since we have done the breaking of the middle term, the next thing for us to do is to do what we call pairing. The first two and the last two. For the first two, we have this. And for the last two, we have this. Now, for the first two, what is the common factor between the highest common factor between a square and 2h? That's h. Then a square divided by h. What are we going to have? We have h. Plus 2h divided by h. H we cancel h, so we have 2. Now, looking at the last two terms, minus 41h and minus 82. Now, minus is common, it is obvious. Then, let's look at the number. 41h and 82. What is the highest common factor between 41h and 82? That is 41. So, we bring out 41. And since we must have the same thing here, the first bracket and inside the second bracket, let's copy what is here and write it here. Now, you just have to confirm whether what you have copied is correct, or at this level, whether what you are having at this level is valid for this quadratic expression. Now, let's check. What do we do? Minus 41 times h, minus 41h. Minus 41 times plus 2, we have minus 82. So the next thing for us to do is to get our final answer. How do we get our final answer? Since what we have here is the same thing as what we have in here, we pick one of them, h plus 2. Then what do? The second one inside the bracket, we are going to write this one together with this. That is, we have h, then minus 41. So this is the solution to the problem.